Establishing a morning routine focused on mental health can significantly impact your overall well-being. Begin by waking up at a consistent time to regulate your circadian rhythm. Upon rising, practice mindfulness through activities like deep breathing or meditation. This sets a positive tone for the day, promoting emotional stability. Engage in physical activity to boost endorphins and enhance mood. This can be as simple as stretching, yoga, or a brisk walk. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and mind, providing essential nutrients for optimal cognitive function. Consider incorporating journaling into your routine. Write down your thoughts and feelings, fostering self-reflection. Gratitude journaling can cultivate a positive mindset, focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Limit exposure to screens during the initial moments of your day. Instead, immerse yourself in a good book or listen to uplifting podcasts. This minimizes stressors and promotes a sense of calm. Establishing clear goals for the day gives you a sense of purpose. Break them down into manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance to enhance productivity. Connect with loved ones through a brief call or message. Social connections are crucial for mental health. Share your thoughts and feelings, fostering a supportive network. Hydration is often overlooked but is vital for cognitive function. Drink a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism and stay hydrated throughout the day. Practice good hygiene to boost confidence and self-esteem. This simple act contributes to a positive self-image, positively impacting your mental state. Mindful breathing exercises or meditation can be integrated into your morning routine to manage stress. Focus on your breath to center yourself, promoting emotional balance. Allocate time for a creative pursuit, whether it's writing, drawing, or playing a musical instrument. Engaging in activities you love fosters a sense of accomplishment and joy. Consider setting aside a few minutes for affirmations. Positive affirmations can reshape your mindset, promoting self-love and confidence. Review your schedule for the day, ensuring a balance between work and leisure. Include breaks to avoid burnout and maintain mental resilience. Expose yourself to natural light, as it positively influences mood and regulates sleep patterns. Spend a few minutes outdoors or open curtains to let in sunlight. As you conclude your morning routine, express gratitude for the day ahead. Cultivating gratitude fosters a positive outlook on life. In summary, a comprehensive morning routine for mental health includes mindfulness, physical activity, nutritious habits, self-reflection, social connections, hydration, creative pursuits, and gratitude. Tailor these suggestions to fit your preferences, creating a routine that nurtures your mental well-being. If you enjoy this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that you will get my next video upload. Bye.